Welcome back everyone. In this episode, another ripper-free camp spot just outside of the Hattah-Kulkyne National Park. This is Mansells Sandbar. Stick around.
Out and about Sunraysia, where the river runs and the gum trees sway. Vines so green and sky so wide, come take a trip, enjoy the ride.
If you're after a quiet camp spot with plenty of shade and no camp fees, well, this place is worth a look. It's only 45 minutes from Mildura and it's sealed just about all the way there. Turn off the Calder Highway just after Red Cliffs onto Colignan Way and stay on Colignan Way all the way. This is at Mansells Farms where it turns to dirt. A couple of 100 metres after the bitumen finishes, you'll see this little road to the left. The best way I remember how to find this is off to the right. You'll see these sand hills. That tells me I'm just about there. Just as you come in and just upstream from the main camping area on the sandbar, you'll come across this makeshift boat ramp. It's not really a boat ramp, but I've put a boat in here a few times and it's pretty easy. The dirt track going down to the sandbar is pretty good. There are a few potholes, but nothing serious. If you took your time, you could probably even get a van in here. So we've come down here just for the day for a bit of a barbecue with some family and friends. Beautiful day in Mildura. It's just that time of the year where it's not too hot and not too cold. Absolutely beautiful. If you want to do some exploring while you're here, Hattah-Kulkyne National Park is just up the road. There's some river sand dunes, there's chalker creeks, as well as the lake system. This place is loaded with a lot of native birds, so don't forget to pack your camera as well as your fishing rod. There is one thing I forgot to mention. Back down the road at Nangelock, there's a store and tavern where you can get your bait and tackle, your grog, your ice, everything. Been for a bit of a walk, heading back for the barbie under the tree over yonder. There's no shortage of firewood through this area. There was a bit of a storm that came through here a while back, so there's lots of timber and it's all nice and dried now, ready to go. Well, there you go guys, Mansells Bend and Sandbar, just outside of Mildura. If you like this video, check this one out here. But be good, stay safe, and bye for now.